Welcome, my dear student. Firstly, I introduce myself. I am Madhav Chandra Das, Assistant Headmaster, Ishan Girls High School, near DC office, Faridpur. The student, today's lesson's identity is narration part 2 for class 9 and 10 English second paper. The student follow the screen. What do you understand by the sentences? Sajid said to Rahat, I will help you. Sajid told Rahat that he would help him. Rahat said to Sajid, how are you? Rahat asked Sajid how he was. The student, do you understand by the sentences? Yes, I think you understand. First sentence is assertive sentence and second sentence is interrogative sentence. Indirect and indirect speeches. Learning outcome. After studying this lesson, students will be able to change the narration if the reported speech is assertive and interrogative. The student, some other small change that used to take place while changing direct speech to indirect speech. Here change to there, now change to then, this change to that, this change to those, today change to that day, tonight change to that night, yesterday change to the previous day, last night change to the previous night, last week change to the previous week, tomorrow change to the next day, next week change to the following week. Ago change to before, thus change to so, hence change to there. Note, and in indirect speech we talk about such incidents that are after the time of reporting and had happened away from the place of reporting. Therefore, the words that show nearness has to be replaced by the words that show distance. The students, nearness words replaced by the words that show distance words. It's a very important slide for you. Now, rule for changing in narration of different types of sentences. Type 1, assertive sentence. The student, firstly, I know the rules of the assertive sentence. Rule 1, if there is no object after reporting verb, there it should not be changed. If there is some object after reporting verb, then say is, change to tell, says to tells and said to told. According to the context, said to can be replaced by replied. Informed, stated, added, remarked, asserted, assured, pleaded, reminded, reported or complained, etc. The student follow the screen. Rule 2. Put conjunction that is place of inverted comma. Change the pronouns of the reported speech as enlisted earlier. Examples showing some assertive sentence change into indirect form. Direct, she said to me, comma, inverted comma, I shall sleep now. Indirect, she said to change, told me, inverted comma, change that I subject changed to she, converted to she, shall converted to would according to tense. Now, then. Direct, she said, my brother's marriage comes up next month. Indirect, she said that his brother's marriage would come up the following month. Type number 2, interrogative sentences. Rule 1, an interrogative sentence is meant to ask questions, therefore reporting verb said to is changed to asked. Said to can also be changed into inquired or demanded. Rule 2, if question is formed with the help of any of the helping verbs like is, are, am, comma, was, were, has, had, do, does, will, would, etc., then inverted comma are to be replaced by if or whether. If question is formed with the help of words starting with WH like who, whose, what, whom, when, etc., also known as W family, or how, then to replace inverted comma no conjunction is used. Rule 3, in these sentences, question from of the sentences is removed and full stop is put at the end of the sentences. Helping verb is, are, am, was, were, etc. should be put after the subject. If the interrogative sentence is expressing positive feeling, then do, does of the direct speech is removed while converting it into direct speech. If the interrogative sentences is expressing negative feeling, then do, does of the direct speech is changed into did while converting it into direct speech. Did or has, have of the interrogative sentence is changed to had. Rule 4, pronouns and verb are changed according to the set rule of narration. Example, in all the following example, the reporting verb is said. He said, I work in a factory, direct speech. He said that he worked in a factory, indirect speech. They said, we are going to cinema, direct speech. They said that they were going to cinema, indirect speech. Now, we follow the table carefully. Present simple change past simple. Direct speech, he always wear a coat. He said that he always wore a coat. Present continuous change to past continuous. I am looking for my keys. He said that he was looking for his keys. Past simple change past perfect. My friend gave me a bar of chocolate. He said that his friend had given him a bar of chocolate. Past continuous change to past perfect continuous. We are living in London. They said that they had living in London. Present perfect change to past perfect. She has written 3 letters for her friend. He said that he had written 3 letters for her friend. Past perfect change to past perfect. Past perfect continuous change to past perfect continuous. Example are here. Will change to would. Would not change. Can change to could. Could not change. Shall change to would. Should not change. May change to might. Might not change. Must change to had to. Have to change to had to. Example, I have to submit this assignment by 3 p.m. tomorrow. She said she had to submit this assignment by 3 p.m. tomorrow. Now we practice the following. Dear student, follow the screen. Now we practice the following. Change the following into indirect speeches. Direct. Father said, I shall buy you a pen tomorrow. Father said that he would buy me a pen the following day. Direct speech. Hassan said, I shall draw a picture. Hassan said that he would draw a picture. Direct. The girl said, my father will help me. Indirect. The girl said that her father would help her. Direct. My father said to me, you may do whatever you like. My father told me that you change to me, object I, subject may change to might, do whatever you change to I, like, present indefinite tense change to past indefinite tense, light. The teacher said 12 months make a year. The teacher said that 12 months make a year. There is no sense in tense in this case because 12 months make a year, it is a universal truth. I said to my daughter, 2 and 3 make 5. I said to change to told my daughter that 2 and 3 make 5. There is no sense in reported speech because 2 and 3 make 5 is universal truth. Direct. They said 3 into 3 is 9. They said that 3 into 3 is 9. Father said contentment is the source of all happiness. Father said that contentment is the source of all happiness. Okay, dear student, I think you understand. Indirect speeches for question sentence rule. The basic rule for converting direct speech question sentence into indirect speech are as follows. Example are at the end. Comma and inverted comma will be removed. The conjunction that will not be used in direct speech in question sentence. The conjunction if oblique whether is used in indirect speech. All positive sentence. In direct speech, the question sentence will be expressed in assertive positive form instead of interrogative form. Question mark will not be used in indirect speech of interrogative sentence. The verb such as say or tell in direct speech is replaced with verb such as ask or inquire in indirect speech. The above rules are common for all question sentence. Apart from these common rules, there are a few specific rules which apply according to the type of question in sentence. There are two types of question sentence. Question which can be answered with yes or no. Question which cannot be answered only with yes or no, but requires a detailed answer. Such questions usually start with what, why, how, when, etc. Example, do you like a mango? Such a question can be answered by saying only yes or no. Question 2, what are you doing? Such a question cannot be answered by yes or no, but it requires a bit explanation. I am listening to music. The specific rules according to type of questions are as follows. Question that can be answered with yes or no. To make indirect speech of such question, the word if or whether will be used in indirect speech. Both the words if or whether can be used interchangeably. Example, direct speech. David said to me, do you like coffee? David asked me, inverted comma changed to if. You mean me, object I, subject. Do you like present indefinite tense changed to past indefinite tense. I liked coffee. He said to me, will you help me? He asked me if I would help him. She said to me, comma inverted comma, can I use your phone? She said, she asked me if she could use my phone. They told me, have you gone to London? They asked me if I had gone to London. He said to me, did you meet your friend? He asked me if I had met my friend. John said to her, will you buy the book? John asked her whether she would buy the book. She said, are they waiting for me? She asked whether they were waiting for her. Interrogative sentence practice for rule 2. If the reported speech begins with who, what, who is, when, where, why, how, etc., these are not sense, and if or whether is not used. The auxiliary verb in the reported speech is used after the subject. Example, direct speech. He said to her, who are you? In direct speech, he asked her who she was. In direct speech, he said to me, what do you want? In direct speech, he asked me what I wanted. Here, if or whether is not used because reported speech begins with WH question. Who, what, who is, when, where, why, how, etc. See, direct speech, he said to you, which book did you buy? He asked you. Said to change, asked. Inverted comma, change to which book, which is WH question. So if there is not used here, you means you. Reported species object is you. So you is not change here. Did is past indefinite tense. So past indefinite change to past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. Auxiliary verb is had by past participle bought. Direct speech, I said to him, when are you coming back? In direct speech, I asked him when, you, him, he. Present continuous tense, change to past continuous tense, was going back. Direct speech, he said to me, how have you done the sum? In direct speech, he asked me, said to change, asked me, inverted comma change to how, subject you, change to reporting verb object me, change to subject I, present perfect tense have, change to past perfect tense had, done the sum. The student, now I give you a homework. Please take it screenshot for homework or watch my class again. Change the following into indirect speech. He said to me, I shall meet your brother. Question 2, I said to her, your brother meet me yesterday. John said to Mary, I am going to meet you, uncle. The teacher said to me, can you work out the sum? The man said to us, why did you bring your certificates? 6, she asked me, are you happy in your new job? Class number 7, Rajiv said to me, I shall go to picture today. Question 8, my friend said to me, are you coming to us today in the evening? Question 9, his daughter said to her, you have travelled a long distance during the day. Question number 10, his mother said to him, I have been waiting for you since morning. Okay, dear student. Thanks to everybody with my class. Stay home. See you again. Goodbye.